Galaxy S21. Will Samsung's next flagship include a headphone jack? Probably not. Samsung's next phone could bring back the beloved headphone jack, but don't hold your breath. Samsung's Galaxy S21, the follow-up to last year's Galaxy S20 flagship, is almost here. On January 14th, Samsung will host a virtual Galaxy Unpacked event. Here's how to watch live, where the latest Galaxy S smartphone is expected to be unveiled, about a month earlier than last year's announcement. Rumors have been circulating for months now about the new device, fueled by leaks galore. Will the Galaxy S21 come with a stylus? Will it sport a sleek new design? Will it replace the Galaxy Note line? And the perennial question, will it include a headphone jack? All we can say right now is probably not. But if we learned anything in the time since Samsung released its last Galaxy S flagship, the very same day the novel coronavirus was officially christened COVID-19, it's that anything is possible.